Hey guys, it's Overwatch here, and today we are playing the new Overwatch. But instead of just playing it normally, Kyle has challenged me to play it whilst handcuffed. And apparently he said he's lost the keys for it, so I'm gonna have to end up slapping him later for it. But yeah, enough jibber jabber. Let's do this. Okay guys, we have found a game in... I'm not gonna say it in case you offend people. Volskaya Industries, I don't know. Okay, let's see. It's my hands. I've still got the handcuff, by the way, so just let you know, yeah. Let's go for this guy. He seems cool. Ow. Okay, just hold it up, please. His head's my wrists. It's like I've been masturbating for 3 weeks straight. Oh my god, I can't even control it.
Try not to get yourselves killed.
This is so annoying. And sorry if I don't speak much. I'm concentrating on not trying to break my wrists and playing at the same time because I've played like once. That was it.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Okay.
To focus.
Ow. I can't turn right completely because it hurts me ankle, wrist.
It is time to act.
I'm just gonna camp it here. Probably not gonna do me any good. Oh, come on, like bruises all over my wrists now.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
Ow.
Defend objective A.
It hurts so much. That's what she says. I don't know where they all are. Like coming from this way. Why am I camping? Ow! Oh, I got fucked up. Oh yeah, and another thing, if I get more deaths than kills, I get drenched. So this should be interesting. Probably gonna get more deaths than kills. This guy can sprint, can't he? Yeah! I think he's like the only character that can sprint. Oh god, this is horrible. Bitch! Ah! Beach. Oh shit. Ah! I get so excited when I get one freaking kill. Oh shit. Oh my god. I think I'm on a 4-kill streak. Yeah. I see someone coming around this corner but don't know who it is. Oh, it's you. How did I get him? Oh yeah, that's right. Activision. Shooting around corners and everything. I think it's Activision anyway. It's either Activision or Blizzard. One or the other. It hurts so much. Oh, hello. Beach! Ooh, I thought that was someone after me then. Why is he so fat? Like, oh my god. Losing weight, couldn't you? Ow. I have to admit, this guy is pretty okay, if that. Aww. I think that's that Widowmaker. Yeah, it is. I got knocked the fuck out.
Not dead yet.
The hell's that? I don't know what that is. Tactical. Oh. So it's basically aimbot then. Yeah. I can't turn it. This hurts. What are you up? Really? Okay. I pressed the wrong button there. Oh wow, he's building rock, that's cheating. No. Thank you. Just camping in there. Someone up there needs to get it. I'm putting him up there as well. And I'm dead. No, I'm not.
Heroes never die.
This hurts my arm. So much. Die! Stop it! Oh, I probably suck at this game so much. Oh wow, he was so close to dying as well.
The war goes
Shut up, Meg. I might change my hero in a bit. See what else there is. No, go this way. I should just put that friggin' auto aim on. Oh well. Oh, he just got knocked the fuck out.
30 seconds remaining.
Hi. Hi.
tactical necessity.
Ow. Beach. Stop shooting me, that's cheating. Yeah! Epic slow motion.
Play of the game.
Oh, why wasn't I play of the... Yeah, because that's grammar, isn't it? Play of the game. Is he a dwarf? There he is, isn't he? Oh. Am I up there? No. Racism. Well, guys, I am not getting drenched because I think I got more kills than this. I'm not too sure. Yes, I did. 8 eliminations, 3 deaths. I'm fine. Now to go get these off. Okay, guys, I think that's it. If you were to like this video, that would be amazing. And don't forget to check out all my other videos. But until next time, stay epic. Bye.